DNA is a double-stranded helical molecule with large genes attached to its end-to-end structure. The molecular weight of DNA is said to be in billions of Daltons. Let us study the structure of DNA a bit deep. There are 3 parts of DNA which are phosphoric acid, deoxyribose, and nitrogenous bases. This is the general structure of phosphoric acid. This phosphoric acid is attached to deoxyribose sugar. This deoxyribose sugar is then attached to the nitrogenous bases. Phosphoric acid is attached to ribose sugar, and this combination is later attached to nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases are of 2 types: purines and pyrimidines. Purines are adenine and guanine that look like these. And the pyrimidines are thymine and cytosine looking like this. Now let's make the structure of DNA. The phosphate group is attached at one side and then ribose sugar in the middle. Let us bend the structure a little and attach an adenine base on the side. Let us do this again. Here is the phosphate group. Attach it on one side. Add then ribose sugar in the middle. Now let's bend the structure a little and attach a guanine base on the side. Now do this one more time, but this time the base will be thymine and the last time, the base will be cytosine. These phosphate groups and ribose sugar are common, so attach them to form a long chain and the nitrogenous bases will be hanging on the side. Now these nitrogenous bases will form bonds with same molecules of DNA. Adenine will bind with thymine. Thymine will bind with adenine. Then guanine will bind with cytosine. And cytosine will bind with guanine. This makes a double strand. Now twist these double strands to make a helix, and here you go. Here is the structure of DNA. Now we will proceed toward the nucleotides and their basic understanding.
Watch our medical videos anytime and anywhere. Download sqadia.com app now.